How would you like to make 8 cards in just a few minutes from one sheet of stamped cardstock? Well, let me show you how. Hi, I'm Julia with Julia Sue's Stamping, and I'm so glad that you're here to spend a little bit of crafty time with me today. Thank you. If you are here for the premiere, then please hop over into the chat and say hi. I'd love to see that you're here. And if you're watching the replay, then please be sure you leave a comment so I can say hi. I promise I'll respond just as soon as YouTube lets me know that you've left your comment. Whether this is your first time to the channel or you've been here lots of times, welcome. Before we dive into making these awesome 8 cards, I want to be sure to ask you to please give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on social media. All these things are absolutely free and make a very big difference to my teeny tiny business. So I appreciate your support very much. All right, I think we should get started. How about you? Let's go. This entire set of cards is going to start with just one piece of cardstock. That's it. I'm starting off with some basic white. You could use very vanilla, basic beige, whatever neutral you like. And it's been cut 8 by 10 3/4. Now, I may forget to write the numbers or say the numbers during this, but that's okay because I do have a free downloadable PDF listed down in the description for you. The link is there, takes you right to my blog where you can get the free downloadable PDF and follow along and make these cards anytime you want. I'm grabbing a favorite stamp set. I decided to use the Petals of Beauty for my project here today. And I'm also going to be using 3 or 4 different colors of ink. I'm going to start off with these different ones, and I've got crushed curry with me today, some Lost Lagoon, a little bit of Cajun Craze, and some Pool Party. This is one of those techniques where you are not going to need to worry about perfection and pressure of making everything right. This is just supposed to be fun. I'm protecting my work surface with some grid paper, and I'm going to stamp using the Pool Party, the big leaf stamp from the Petals of Beauty stamp set. I'm going to go all sorts of directions, and I'm also going to try really hard to fill up this paper. Now that I have the paper filled up where I'm okay with that, I'm going to use the vein part with the Lost Lagoon ink to add a little bit of texture and depth. This is one of those techniques where you just relax and enjoy the process. Like I said, I'm not looking for perfection, and I'm not worried about it one way or the other. It's just going to be some fun. There's no pattern, there's no rules, and absolutely no wrong way to do this. So whatever you decide to do is going to be exactly the way it should be. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a solid flower in another color, overlapping wherever it lands. I want it to go ahead and actually look a little bit wild, because then that's going to mean that I'm doing it right. Finally, I'm going to add an outline image in another color. This one is in the crushed curry, and all I'm doing with this is filling in as much of that white space as I can, turning the stamp every now and then to help it stay organic looking and to keep it interesting. Quite honestly, it's starting to look like a Hawaiian shirt. And that's okay. This is where one stamped panel is going to turn into 8 cards. Bringing in the paper trimmer, I'm going to begin by cutting this panel in half. So it's going to be 4 inches by 10 3/4. I have 2 pieces. I'm going to set one of them aside, and the other one I'm turning. I'm going to cut it at 2.5 inches. So there's 1. Here's 2, 3, and I'm going to get a 4th piece out of it and have a little scrap left, and that's fine. Taking the other piece, I'm going to cut it in half by turning it, and I'm going to cut it into 5 3/8. That's in half. Now I'm going to cut these in half as well. So it's going to be 2 inches by 5 3/8 for every one of these. And just like that, thanks to having all those beautiful 8 coordinating card fronts, these cards come together really fast. I simply matted them. I added coordinating card bases, sentiments, a few embellishments, a little bit of an embossing folder. That's it. Perfect for a quick card set, happy mail, or even a handmade gift to send to somebody or give away. Well, 8 cards, 1 sheet, no stress. Yay! That's the way we like it. Please be sure you give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe to the channel, and follow me on social media. I really appreciate your support. And remember that I do have a free downloadable PDF tutorial just for you listed on my blog. The link is down in the description, and I would love for you to grab it so that you can make these cards your own. And if you don't already have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to be your crafty cheerleader. I'll help you with your supplies and any kind of questions that you may have. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you spending some of your crafty time with me. I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day and that you have a chance to get inky. Bye.